What's up, everybody? You're watching another airSlate video guide with the next tip on how no-code automation can make your day-to-day document workflows paperless and stress-free.
Are your internal teams butting heads when handling contracts within Salesforce? Does this affect your customer experience? Envision a fast and neat contract management process to keep all the data you need at hand without leaving Salesforce or any other application that you already work with. Integrate airSlate plus Salesforce in your daily tasks. Boost your team performance, enhance your data security and legal compliance, all without switching accounts. With airSlate no-code automation, you can eliminate the manual routines in Salesforce and automate your contract workflows from end to end. Here are a few insights on using airSlate to optimize your processes so you can focus on strategic initiatives, not manual tasks. Deliver maximum value to your Salesforce organization by using the custom button functionality. Automatically generate contracts, reports, sales orders, or invoices with data taken from Salesforce records. Custom Button is a built-in Salesforce functionality that allows users to integrate Salesforce data with external URLs, applications, and other systems they use in a single click. To create a custom button, follow the steps below. Log into your Salesforce organization and find your way to the app launcher. Then, proceed to the airSlate admin tools, select the Custom Buttons tab on the left and click Create Button. Name your button and click Next to Action Settings. In the Action Settings tab, select the action you need. Then select the Custom Button mode and click Next to Layouts and List, or switch to the Layouts and List tab. Use the Quick Find to search for Layouts and List. Select whether to view the list, the layouts, or both in the Show Layouts and List dropdown. Once done, click Finish. That's it. This button will automatically be created and added to your Salesforce object or list views. Proceed to the Salesforce records to start using it with your airSlate flow. Let's see what else you can do with airSlate. First of all, there are two ways of automating your document workflows. You can either build your flow from scratch by clicking the Create New Flow button, or choose one of the pre-built flow templates. Browse the flow template collection from your dashboard and pick the one that meets your needs. Then, set up your specific documents, workflows, and bots. You start by adding or creating documents and web forms in your workflow. You can create them from scratch or upload documents from your computer or cloud storage. Customize the docs any way you want. Add fillable or signature fields, assign recipients to them, and make fields mandatory or optional, and more. Next, visualize your workflow. Drag and drop steps and name each one based on the role or responsibilities of those who will complete it. Manage document recipients, assign fields or entire documents to them, and add conditions for the step execution if necessary. Add branches if you need to send documents simultaneously to several recipients. Finally, automate your workflow by adding no-code bots. Use the bots to send reminders and notifications, pre-fill documents, transfer data, upload records to your CRM, and much more. If you want to use the flow more than once, you can make it a template. Just choose the Save As Template option when configuring your workflow. Once you set up your workflow, click Send so that the documents are completed by the right people. You can also send the documents via SMS, email, or create a shareable link to add them to your website. After your documents have been sent, use the airSlate dashboard to track their completion and all of the changes in your workflow. For example, you can see the status of your flow by opening the All Flows tab. Depending upon your role in the workspace and flow access permissions, you may have different options available. For example, you can download, send, and remove a specific document. View the bots log to check if the bots added to the workflow ran successfully, and if not, check the reason for failure. If you have any trouble using airSlate, go to the support portal or get help from our support team. Want to develop new skills and gain recognition? Click the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
Ready to save time and money? Then you need to click the link in the description and start your free 30-day trial of airSlate.